Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how I made the very strong pigtail of my Hoshino Ai wig. The first time I wore this wig in public, I did not really style it correctly and I was very unhappy with the final look. As you can see, it's very tangled because I did not crimp it. So the first thing we need to do is crimp the wig. It's really an arm workout and very time consuming. It took me so long just to get to the first line of pink strands, but you cannot skip or give up. Make sure you choose exactly where you want your pigtail to be. Now it's time to cut the top part of your plastic bottle. Please be careful not to hurt yourself. Although everything cosplayers do is more or less dangerous, handle everything with care. Cut this part of the bottle into open petals like this and assign each petal a small amount of wire. Secure everything with hot glue. We end up with this very interesting flower shape. Now it's time to decide exactly where we want to insert the flower. Remember to double check where you want your pigtail to be, the side, because there's no going back after this. I traced down an imaginary square to make a rough estimation of the opening that I want to insert my flower in. These wig openings are not big enough for the top of the bottle to fit in, so I had to create a bigger opening. Please be careful while you cut any part of your wig. Make sure you're not cutting the actual hair. And now it fits. Flipping back to the inner part of the wig cap, we want to hot glue our petals onto the cap. The wires are there for extra security and some flexibility to fit the size of our heads. Once you're done gluing the petals, it's time to pad them. I used some old ribbons I had, but you can use any fabric. As you can see here, this wire was too long, so I had to clip it, and it's dangerous to have that exposed, so you must make sure you padded everything, preferably more than once. And this is what mine looked like with random ribbons I had laying around. On your mannequin head, give it a little test, make sure everything's in place, all the glue is dried, and it's not moving around or anything. Now we're going to remove all the hair that came with the pigtail. Now on the bottle cap, you're going to glue down a small pinch of hair at the center like this, and we're going to start gluing around it. Make sure you use a very tiny amount of hot glue. This is what it looks like after finishing the circle of the bottle cap. Do not worry, the hair will fully cover the center. And a quick test before gluing the rest of the sides of the bottle cap. I only had one strand of pink hair, so I used it around the end and at the top half of the bottle cap that I marked with a little nail polish while I was gluing the hair. Let's try it out one last time. A little shake test. And as you can see, you cannot see the center of the bottle cap. I hope this video helps you make stronger pigtails. Thank you so much for watching and good luck with your project!